Hello and welcome friends. In this tutorial we're gonna add controllers to the bones. So for this I go to side view and go to create knobs primitives and circle. So I rotate it to the 90 degree, 90 degree here, and press V, and with the middle mouse button I place it on the wrist bone. Let me scale it a little bit down so it will be left wrist control for us. Make sure it is exactly in the middle of the bone. So again I press V, and with the middle mouse I place it exactly in the middle of the bone. Control D. Again Control D for duplicating the same controller for the right side of body. This time press V and place it exact in the middle. So we have added here two wrist controllers. Now I'm gonna add elbow control. So for this I have to create again a knobs primitive circle and rotate it in this direction 90 degree. Now I go to front view and place it here. I can change the shape of controller also. So for this right click and go to control vertices, select these control points and go to scale mode and change the shape of controller. So now I add it here and press V again and press middle mouse button and snap it to elbow joint. Control D for duplicate the elbow control and press V and middle mouse button and snap it to elbow joint. Select both the elbow joints and go to side view and place them slightly behind of the elbow joint like this. Now I select this elbow control and Control D to duplicate it and shift it here and press V and snap it to clavicle joint this time. Go to front view, press move, clavicle joint, scale it a little bit down. One more time Control D and press V and snap it to other clavicle joint. Select both the clavicle controls and go to side view. Push them a little bit back like this. One thing we need to do here, what is that? Select the clavicle control and press D and V together and snap the pivot of the controller to the bone, this bone, like this. Select this control again and press D and V. Snap the pivot of the controller to the clavicle bone. Now we're gonna add the controller of chest. So I want to add this controller in the different shape. So for this, what I need to do here, so first I have to create a cube. Then I go to create and to curve tools and CV curve tools same, and go to its settings and check this option one linear here and start to create a new shape of controller like this. So press C to snap the points to the cube vertices. First point here, again C, again C. So we need to cover this whole shape here. So Control Z, again C, and we need to cover whole shape of cube. Like this. Cover all the edges of this cube so that we may get a different shape of controller. Enter, and now select this cube and delete this cube. So now we have got the shape of controller. So go to modify, center pivot, go to front view and press V and snap it to chest bone. Give it the shape according to your requirement, like this. Select these two vertices and go to front view. Select these vertices also, go to front view and push them upside a little bit. So now go to side view and tweak again. Now we have this kind of controller. It will be chest control for us. So again I go to create and now primitives, circle, scale it little bit and press V and snap it to abs joint. Make it more bigger. Now for the root, I duplicate this controller and W and press V and snap it to glue joint. Now what I need to do, press 4 and by tweaking the controllers I get right shape of this controller which I want. So it will be root controller. I need to tweak it from the front view also, like this. So it will be root controller. It will be root control for us. Now I duplicate the apps control, control D, and press V, middle mouse button, and snap it to root bone. It will be pelvis control for us. So make it little bit bigger, like this. It will be pelvis control. And for knee curves, I can duplicate elbow control. So control D and press V, middle mouse button, and snap to knee joint. Control D again, snap it to knee joint again. Select both the knee controls and push them a little bit front side like this. Now again I go to transformative circle, and this circle now will be leg control like this. Control D and place other control here like this. For hands, I can create a controller with a different shape. So how can I create it? Create and curve tools. This time I choose EP curve tool. So select this tool and start creating the shape of hands like this. Around the palm, press C and snap it here. Press enter. So push it upside, go to modify, center pivot. For the right hand side, I can create another curve. So go to EP curve tool, start creating the control like this. Press C and close the curve. Again go to front view and push this curve upside like this, and go to modify, center pivot. One more time I need to create a transformative curve circle this time, and press V, snap it to neck bone. It's a little bit outside, so again I have to press V and place it to neck joint. You can rotate it like this. Like this. For eyes, again I create a circle, rotate it with 90 degrees, place it to the left eye, scale it down a little bit, control D it, and shift to the other eye Select both the icon tools and go to side view, shift them outside to the body and duplicate one of icon tool and place it in the middle and scale it like this. I need to push this to the left side a little bit more. Now again I go to create non-selective circle and this control I need to be scaled so it will be global controller. So in this tutorial we have added these all controllers here. In the next tutorial we will connect them all to the bones so that we may move our body parts. So keep watching.